Good morning. Another rainy day. That means my plants will be very, very happy with the rain. And I will be sewing. I didn't do so much yesterday because I have, I like to play computer games, and the guild or team group that I have on the game, we were planning to do something, so I have to stop and then just go to play my game. But today I think I will be able to maybe complete my project. I will show you when I'm at home. We'll see how it goes today. I'm very sleepy. Arriving from work, I just got this backsplash. I know you won't be thinking like, why? I would use this for weight my pattern. So let me get this, and I will have some weights for pattern.
Welcome back to your regular viewer. Yeah, I think it's well. So this vlog is a little bit different. This is my vlog series on confident
Okay, let's begin with the darts. I can do this. I'm arriving from work, and the first thing that I see on my mailbox, look at the stickers. So that means that I can begin to decorate for my planner for July. And then I remember I didn't tell you something important. I decided to spoil myself with another subscription. This one is really expensive, but I'm so excited. It will be here in 1 month, but let's see. I need a coffee. Good morning, new day. Finally, my day off, and I left my sewing on this way. Now I need to work the neck part. So together when I put also the, I need to do the string, the shoulder part, and I think I will be done. Let's see. Let's continue doing. I will put my machine on the right place. Is done. So now I need to worry about the neck, and I need to do this one. It's two long ties that will go on the sides of the blouse. So let's work on this. I have the belts attached. It's like, I don't know if I need to do something else there, but I also did like I didn't have an overlocker, but I did some kind of sewing there to keep it together and to help the fabric to don't get out. I don't know if it's right to do that, but now I would put, I think I need to put these parts together, or first the, let me see this. So after I did that, oh yeah, I have to put this part together and then work the sleeves. So let's pin this. There's so much stuff. I wish I have a bigger table. I need a little more space. I need to move all this that I don't need anymore. We'll put the fabrics there. I need one of these for garbage. That would be great. Anyway, I'm going out of the what I'm supposed to do. So this notch comes together. This comes together here. So I keep showing all that I'm doing. Not an expert like you maybe know this. Maybe will be my third garment. Fourth. Oh yes, fourth. And let me give you more light. And I know that a lot of people knows much more than me, so it must be kind of boring to see how I'm trying to figure out how to sew something, since you guys maybe know more about sewing and I'm like trying to understand patterns and what to do. But let me know if this gets too boring. I will reduce the amount of the sewing part that I do on my videos and just show how I got everything done. Oh, there it is. Let's finish putting this together. My blouse is done. The only part that I have not done is what's supposed to be in the center here. I'll show you like the old one. You go with a lace to make the detail. The lace that I bought, I think I got online, is too big. So now also is, see, it goes farther. it doesn't really look so nice when you put here. I don't think it looks so nice. Let me try to show you how it will be if we're also in the other side, because it will have to be, one second, let's try this. So you will have one coming from here and the other one, I'll try to do like if I have this cut, one coming here. I think is way too big. And then I found something that I'm not sure if this will work, because this is a ribbon, but I don't know if these are for fabric, and I was thinking this can look really delicate and make like a bee. One second. Okay, it will be a V shape, maybe, to have the other part. Put up. And so it comes until there, and then I will figure out how to create the corner there. And come until here to the neck again. Side in there. Should I do that? It looks very delicate, but maybe I will wait for the other one that I am trying to get. This maybe can go also all the way up. Maybe I will do something like this. Let's see.